Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this. I think they called it a award sticker and asked how you could make that in Corel. But they wanted more edges, more, I can't remember the name of the scissors they used to cut that. Shoot, something, I don't know. So I made two different ways. And you don't have to put that many. You know, I went way overboard, but just to kind of show you what they can do, and I'm going to show you in a black box because it'll really I think it'll make them stand out. And you can see the edges. So there's two ways to make that. One of them is taking a ellipse and then get your distort tool. Get the distort tool and just start adding here. No, did the wrong thing. Start adding. Let me back up here. That's one reason I don't like this. Start adding here, and you're going to get a bunch of curves, almost like a polygon, and then start adding here, and you're going to get this variation of points, and so then you could add more points, less points. You could do that. So really, there's three ways to do it. You could do a polygon and do like 50 sides, and hold down your control button so they're kind of perfect. So there's another way, but the other way is kind of unique that I made one of these over here with, and it's related to a polygon, is take the star, set the star on 99 points. Hold down the control button. Then bring this in and make them shallower. Then watch it just a second. And you could have less points. You could change them to 90. You could type in 50 and do whatever number you want and get pretty much the same result. And, you could even change this. If we look, this is still the polygon. We could change it so it won't be so sharp. Just take the shape tool and bring that back up. And you'd want to do that with holding down the control button so it's perfect. That's not perfect anymore. So there's three ways to make that. I hope one of them will help this gentleman. Thank you for watching.